So he is here. Once again, I feel like Shane Dawson here. So I should probably answer the door. I just wanted to do this kind of guerrilla style with you guys because this is, I don't know, I'm trying something new. So I'm going to, I guess, bring him up and then we'll get everything going. Unless this is like a killer and you're gonna get, catch me dying on camera. So, alright. It is not a killer. Hey man.
Are you Ryan?
Yeah, come on in, dude. Thank you for coming.
Yeah, no problem.
We are filming for a YouTube video. I am sorry if that's awkward, but
okay. We just need to have the personal information.
Got everything up there for you if you want to come on in.
That'd be great.
Sorry, make you come on a Saturday.
No, traffic was crazy. I apologize.
Have a seat wherever you want, and then we're just gonna film a couple things. I'm gonna get everything set up. I'll pass it to you. You can kind of do like an introduction of like your company so they know a little bit more. Okay. And then I guess we'll just get started. I'm a little nervous, so if you see me shaking, I haven't eaten, and I'm also nervous. Okay, so I'm going to, if you don't mind, send it over to you, and if you don't mind just like telling my viewers a little bit more about what you do and what we're gonna do here and the whole process and whatever you need me to do, just tell me because this is all kind of new to me and. Yeah, whatever you want to do.
That's fine. Do I look at you? Do I look at?
You can look at me, or if you want to introduce
for this.
To the camera, you can do that.
Okay, just for security purposes, I can't get into too much detail about the company. Okay. My name is Eric Anderson. I've been with the CCS for 5 years. That's the Crypto Coin Services. And we handle a lot of these private, bigger accounts and requests, and that way we secure that these crypto transactions go smoothly and accordingly for all parties. And that's what we're doing here today. Ryan here has said that he has about 50 Bitcoins, which is a very substantial amount, and that's why we're here to facilitate that. But we need to answer some things first. We need to go through some verification purposes. Would you show me your identification as well? No, you're.
Do you need my laptop? I know we mentioned that in the email.
Yeah, we'll need to verify that so that way we can.
I have it right here when you need it.
So we can check the wallet. So that would be great if we can log on to that. So, but yeah, so this would be a great time that you could show me your either your wallet. Do you want to hand it over?
I don't know what you can do.
Okay, let me go through the site.
Wallet wise, I have here if you need that. There's literally just my credit card's in here and my identification is in here and that's it.
No. Not. We meant your digital wallet, your crypto wallet over here. Is that okay? We had also mentioned if you wanted to, you could put it on some type of a hard drive. You could give it a thumb drive, a bigger external drive.
I do have the coins on me. I do have them on me.
Oh, you have the drive?
That'd be great.
Can you please go?
Well, I have whatever I have on me, and I just.
Okay.
I will grab. It's over here.
Actually, let me get out the checking account so that way I can verify that what we have.
A check is good. Can I tell you that I've been waiting like 6 to 7 months to do this? Basically, like once I figured everything out, and I've been super nervous about it.
Well, it's great because you really did this at a great time because Bitcoin is pretty much a way higher high. You go back a couple months, it was lower. Now, now you have 50 shares that you're willing to sell, or 50 you're willing to sell is absolutely amazing.
Awesome. I'm not going to tell you that I did that on purpose, but
Hey, no, if it works, it works. So do you have the drive?
I have everything. All this stuff is in this spot.
This is a cool way to put a flash drive in.
Yeah, it's like a little treasure chest or something.
What is this?
Those are the coins itself.
So you think these are Bitcoins? You realize Bitcoins are a digital currency, correct? There's nothing physical you should have. That's why we asked you if you had your wallet, which I don't see you have one on here.
Oh, I literally
or the hard. I thought you were getting me the hard drive.
Okay, I'm sorry, I'm like underprepared. Basically, because that's whatever I have is what I was sold years ago, and I'm like uneducated, so I apologize. I'm like unprepared.
You don't even have 50 things here. What were you told years ago? What's going on here?
Basically, when I bought them from the guy, he showed me like what the Bitcoins were, sold them here, and I just put them in this box. He said like keep them in a safe place, and I put them in this box, and I had them put like in one of my. So
you realize this is a legit company, you know?
Oh no, I'm not trying to mess with you. It's not. I'm like I'm not trying to prank you. I don't know.
Ryan, if you don't mind, if I'm a little bit more frank with this. That looks nothing more than fake coins. If I even had to guess, they're not even coins at all.
Right.
If I really had to guess, and I would know, there's chocolate behind those.
You're right. In the coins.
Yeah.
What exactly are you trying to tell me? That
So
these
right
are not,
now,
you got that these were fake?
Once again, a Bitcoin is nothing physical. It's digital currency that's unregulated.
Okay.
And the only way to do it is you'd have it on a computer in a wallet or some form of a drive that you could pass over. But in looking at actually what you have here, you have nothing.
Well, how do we know that they're chocolate, number one?
Oh, here, open one up. So you legitimately wasted my time, sir. Prestigious organization.
I just spent like $30,000 on Supreme hoodies.
Ryan, have a great one. It's been very nice to meet you. I'm sorry. So you gotta get out of the way. I got it.
All right, guys. So that didn't go as I was hoping it would go, and apparently I was fooled. I was duped, and I should have looked at these before. It is. I can confirm it is milk chocolate. Now I am really screwed because I spent a lot of money. Bam. Okay. All right.